What's going on, y'all? It's Dante here from Impact, and you know that Impact stands for I Make Profit a Common Thing. And today we're going to talk about how you can cash flow your crypto today using Crypto Advantage. All right, guys, let's jump right into it. So you guys know I'm representing Auvoria Prime here, and I'm excited to just share the fact that we just launched this brand new crypto trading service, Crypto Advantage, to where you can literally have your money automated, automatically leveraged in the crypto market and be able to get cash flow in your account, whether it be 10, 15, 20% monthly returns on whatever it is that you decide to invest. The minimum investment is $200 to be able to use the service. I'll post below a Telegram channel that's going to be sharing and posting results. So I will, you can jump in that Telegram there for any questions or hit me up directly from there. But I will go ahead and jump right into the video. I advise you watch the entirety of the video. Pretty much any question you're going to ask me after you see this, will be answered in the video. So make sure you actually get in tune and hear from our R&D developer, Mr. Tyler, break down everything about CA and why it's so exciting.
All right. So before we get into it, as always, we do need to read you this risk disclaimer. So now that we have that out of the way, let's get into the fun stuff. And the first thing is going to be what makes Crypto Advantage different from all these other opportunities out there, all of these different things that are going on in the world. And first thing is your money stays in your own personal control in a segregated account in your name. All right. So you're going to have your own exchange account in your name. This is not something where, they're controlling your funds. You have the funds, you see them in your exchange account in your name, segregated. We're not charging outrageous upfront fees. A lot of these operations, they're charging very insane fees to get started. You have to also have a high amount of capital to invest. It's just not accessible to the average retail customer. And what you're going to see soon is how accessible we've made this. The next thing is easy to deposit and withdraw. Zelle, Bankwire, and crypto. I know outside of the USA, there is not Zelle, but for those US people, there is Zelle. For everybody globally, there's Bankwire, and they accept multiple different forms of cryptocurrency deposits to get started. You can withdraw and close out at any time. There's no lockup periods on your money, and it's a 15-minute setup if you already have cryptocurrency to send. Otherwise, if you do send a Bankwire or Zelle, it could take a little bit longer by nature, but in general, the actual setup process under 15 minutes from time you purchase it to really understanding and setting it up. It's very, very quick. The next thing is real results verified by a third party. No fake hypothetical results or this is what could have happened. These are verified, just like many of you already know what a MyFX book is for Forex. We use equity for crypto to verify the trading results and the analytics of this trading strategy. And the next thing is it's ran by a real licensed hedge fund for the last 2 years. So understand that this is a company that is managing money with accredited investors, and they built this technology, and we obviously made a partnership to bring Crypto Advantage to the retail masses because a hedge fund can't, but we can. They deal with large accredited investors. They don't want to deal with retail, but we, by nature, that's our business model, and our goal is to impact tons of lives globally. Thousands to even millions is of course the long-term goal. As we go to AP 1 billion, we're all writing in the chat here. We have to impact a lot of people. So we have to make this accessible to the masses. So how do we know this is going to last? Well, the first thing is over the last 2 years, this fund has drastically changed how they manage their risk. The underlying strategy has stayed the same for the last 2 years. So they haven't changed the strategy. They've simply changed how they've managed their risk. They used to use leverage and hedging within margin trading. But after seeing the Terra Luna incident, as well as the Ukraine war during their time running the strategy, they've modified the strategy to only trade with a 1x leverage and no hedging, because the underlying belief is that all these crypto assets could possibly go to zero. Now, we're not going to get into fundamentals of what crypto's a giant, which one's going to last, which ones are going to eventually fail. We're not here to discuss that today. All we're here to discuss is helping you grow your crypto balance in a USDC or USDT way so that you can buy the coins you want and continue to increase your cash flow. And that's why your money is going to be traded in stable coins for this reason, because awesome, we could have generated you more Bitcoin last month, but say we generated you 15% more Bitcoin and Bitcoin dropped 30%, you're down money. But when we're generating you more stable coin, you're making more US dollar cash value, which allows you to dollar cost average into more coins as you want. So you might be asking, how did Crypto Advantage handle the most recent drop of Bitcoin to $17,500, right? This last month. So this is May 15th to June 20th, right? And you can see that they did 16.75% in a dip of volatility where most people lost 30 to 40% of their US dollar value in their portfolio. This strategy gained 16.7%. Now, that's not what's most impressive. What's most impressive is you see the max drawdown right here. Now, I'm not telling you that that's going to be the max drawdown all the time, but look at that. In a market where most people are losing their money and at high risk, the max drawdown on this strategy was 0.05%, not 0.5%, 0.05%. I mean, if that doesn't blow your mind, I don't know what will, because this is essentially, if you had $1,000 account, you risked $5 to make what would be right now almost $170 in that same time frame. I mean, where else do you do that? So extremely powerful stuff that we have going on with Crypto Advantage. Now, actually, before I get into the next slides, I want you guys to all see there's a QR code right here. All right, I don't want to take your focus away too much from this, but if you scan this QR code, I'm going to give you guys 15 seconds. Scan this QR code and it'll take you straight to this link. So again, we're going to provide new links in the very near future, but these are links that are currently accessible. So you can see how they've managed their risk since changing to using no hedging and only a 1x leverage on their margin trades. You can track this portfolio and go ahead here. Now, you may be asking, what are the other ways risk is managed? So the first thing I would need you guys to understand is this is a very sophisticated system. This is one of those systems that blows my mind when I see how sophisticated and seamless it is for somebody like you to get started and start using such a powerful technology. So the first thing is your crypto is traded through an exchange called DART. Now, DART has API connections and bridge liquidity to all the major exchanges globally. It connects via API to BitMEX, Binance, Bybit, Uphold, and others to trade your crypto. What's nice about this keeps you as the end retail customer from having to manage multiple accounts and multiple different exchanges, having to move crypto around, and it lets the service provider also decide when to turn the software on and off. For example, even in the month of June, exchange Bybit went under attack. Therefore, Crypto Advantage during this time is turned off from their platform and would not be trading your crypto on their platform, because the service provider also using their bridge liquidity through the exchange called DART and their partnership with DART, they are able to make sure that they also are checking these major world events. Is an exchange being hacked? Should we not be trading on them? Could there be a reason someone could lose money, lower liquidity? So that also gives you peace of mind in knowing that there's also someone else behind the scenes that's taking a look at these analytics and making sure that you're going to see the best performance with this strategy. Again, this is something that's being managed by a real company that deals with real accredited clients and large capital. So understand that this is something so powerful to be able to get access to on a retail level right now through Auvoria Prime. So this is DART, and as I mentioned to you, they have access to over 5 billion in combined liquidity. They have connections and bridges to all of these major world exchanges. So this is the exchange that you're actually going to be using for the trading. Now, don't go make an account there right now. When you purchase Crypto Advantage, it's going to take you through making an account through our end. That's the only way you're going to be able to get access to Crypto Advantage on their platform, is you need to go through our Auvoria Prime link to make your account with them. So moving on, there's some few key points you need to understand with Crypto Advantage, and that there is different risk portfolios. Your conservative portfolio is going to be less than 0.5% risk per trade. Moderate's going to be more about 1% risk per trade, and aggressive around 1.5% risk per trade. Now, it's a $200 USD balance minimum for each strategy. So why this is so powerful is, let's say you wanted to come in here and you came in and you wanted to put $600 and you could diversify between 3 different strategies with $600 in your connection, which is just amazing. Now, the results shown in the previous slide were conservative results. So you may be asking, what does it take to get started with us? How can you get access to Crypto Advantage? And I got to tell you, when we put this offer on the table, we had to ask ourselves, are we being too generous? But the reality is we want to be generous. We want to do what no one else is doing, and we want to make this accessible to the masses. That's why your minimum deposit is $200 into each strategy. I mean, where else do they do that? The next thing is, if you are an existing Silver Pass AP member, all you will do is pay a one-time connection fee of $300. There will be no added monthly cost to your current billing. You're going to get Crypto Advantage for no additional monthly cost, just a $300 one-time connection fee. Now, if you're a brand new customer to Auvoria Prime watching this, and maybe you've never, used any of our other products, and maybe you have no interest in any of our other products, you just want Crypto Advantage, you're going to pay $375 up front with a $75 a month subscription for Crypto Advantage that has no other products from Auvoria Prime included. Now, again, with a Silver Pass, Crypto Advantage is going to be waived. The $75 completely waived. You get it included with your Silver Pass membership. Now, please note, from the profits you make using Crypto Advantage, the service provider does charge a 20% fee monthly. It is automatically deducted from each profitable trade on Dart. So there will be a fee. Now, it's taken from every single profitable trade, so it's not as noticeable, but it does exist for the profitable trading, managing the strategy and making sure that you're going to consistently see success. And then for those of you who are, a part of our rewards plan, the $300 connection fee does have a DSB bonus of $75, and the $75 monthly fee does have 1 point of business volume. So there's a few important links. For the setup videos, you can go straight to auvoriaprime.me/CA setup, and that's going to take you straight to the setup videos. For the FAQs, you can go to auvoriaprime.me/CA FAQ, and it'll take you right there. We do already have a Telegram made for it, so you can go to auvoriaprime.me/cryptoadvantagetg. And then the affiliate link is on your dashboard coming soon, and you'll be able to combine it with AP setup so that people can get it set up using our professional customer service staff, which if you've been loving AP setup or you've used AP setup, please put a 777 in the chat. This is something I want to put a lot of value on, especially for people who are maybe brand new getting started here. This is just an unbelievable product and something I've never seen any other company successfully do. And we're just really leading the way out here and helping somebody who wants to share this product with somebody, not have it be an inconvenience for them, right? Because let's just say you're a brand new person, you come in, you start using Crypto Advantage and you're excited, but there was a few steps to getting crypto, getting it set up, and maybe you just don't want to help your friend do it because you're not that technical person, but you still want to tell them about it. This takes the inconvenience off of you and allows our professional support reps to help anybody you bring or share the Auvoria Prime opportunity with, make sure that they see consistency, get their product set up and going, and know that you can have confidence in this company to guide anyone you refer here, to what we would consider the promised land, right? And helping people start compounding and building true wealth. Now it's time to build your crypto portfolio with Crypto Advantage. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take you over to the actual Dart system and take you to the AP system. And I'm going to show you real quick where you're going to be able to get access to every single thing here. And we're going to get you right into it all. So let's get straight to it. So the first thing is, once you are inside of Auvoria Prime, you're going to be able to see here on your dashboard, if you are already a Silver Pass member, you'll see Crypto Advantage, and there will be a spot to go ahead and purchase it. If you're a brand new person, again, you'll be able to go to the shop and be able to purchase Crypto Advantage. Now, there's a few codes, and these are going to be the codes you're going to need to decide which strategy you want to connect to. So let's say that you're going to go ahead and connect to the conservative strategy. We're going to go ahead and copy this conservative code, right? You can either do it this hard way, or you can just click the fancy button that Kareem makes for everybody so that they can have a seamless process. And what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to come to the Dart system, And you can see that any money you deposit, it's going to show up here in your main wallet. You're going to need to transfer those funds out of your main wallet and need to transfer them to your trade wallet. So let's just say that I transfer these funds here out to my trade wallet. Now you'll see that I have funds in my trade wallet, and I could go ahead and I could connect this balance to a script. I already have some money in a trade script right here. You can see in the conservative AP members only low stake. I'm going to go ahead and go back here and create a trade, go to custom script. I'm going to enter in the script code here. I'm going to go ahead and validate code, and it says I've already created a script from this code. So in that case, you're just going to be able to add money in, or you could go ahead and put, another code in if you wanted to connect a different portfolio. And once you do that, it's going to simply just ask you if you're willing to pay what's known as a 1.5% conversion fee. You'll see a total conversion fee here as it converts your money to be traded in the ways it needs to be. And it'll connect you right on up. It might take up to 72 hours for it to start trading when you first set it up, as we're all connecting to brand new AP only setup trading strategies. So again, they have to disperse the liquidity. Now, once we get rolling over the next week or so, anytime somebody connects, they'll be trading within 24 hours of their connection. So please note, when you go in right now, you purchase, you get started, you're connecting. It may take up to 72 hours for you to see it active. It may say pending. So don't be worried. Don't be concerned. That's just because it's a brand new trading script set up for only our AP members here. But it will go active within 72 hours. If you get set up right now, you'll be trading for the first of next week, latest. But note, by next week, it will be rolling every 24 hours. People will begin to get approved. So you'll be able to just go in here and you're going to have to transfer the money from your main wallet. And as you see over here, you can deposit US dollar, bank wire, Zelle. There's many different options there for you. So super exciting what we have going on here with Crypto Advantage. I'm going to throw it back to Matt, and I'm going to take a look at the questions and the Q&A, see where I can help out. But it's really that simple. You're going to be able to come in here, get straight connected, and it's a very seamless process. As I mentioned, you just go in, and again, we made this so accessible that even for those brand new customers coming in that only want this product, it is so accessible. They can put as little as $200 into a strategy. Ideally, I'd tell somebody, hey, if you just want Crypto Advantage, come in at $375 up front. You have your $75 monthly, and bring $600, put it in 3 strategies. I feel confident in that. And I believe that by doing that, we're going to see a lot of success, a lot of people growing their crypto portfolios. And then we're going to be showing them how to take their profits and put them into major coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple at low prices right now in a bearish market, and helping people accumulate wealth. So with that being said, Matt, I'm going to throw it back to you, and I'm going to get right into the chat.
Awesome. Thank you guys so much. Give Tyler a lot of love. Unbelievable. I am so fired up. I mean, I woke up this morning walking on clouds. I was so excited about launching this to you guys. And so, once again, just kind of reiterate with everybody, if you are a guest, there's a lot of people that are guests on here today. Get with whoever invited you with one of our affiliates, and they can talk to you about what our access passes look like from our silver, gold, bronze. Right now, if you're brand new and all you want is Crypto Advantage, $375 up front, and then just $75 a month. Or if you're on a silver access pass or higher, we waive the bronze access pass $75, which is amazing. So for instance, if you're on a silver access pass right now and you're in Auvoria Prime, all you have to do is go pay the $300 connection fee and you're in. And on top of that, you now have, let's just say, access to our AP live trade rooms and one of our EAs and Crypto Advantage, all for a silver access pass, right? It's unbelievable value to create your wealth and grow your wealth in a major way. And another announcement right now, we are live. Crypto Advantage is live right now. It's active in your back office. So if you're currently in Auvoria Prime, you can go in your back office under shop. You can add, as long as you're on a silver access pass or higher, you can just go ahead and add it. And for $300, and you are ready to rock and roll. And then make sure to go to those links, and you can go into what we were talking about earlier, AuvoriaPrime.me/CA setup. and it'll go through the whole thing. You can see all the setup process so that you guys can go through all the videos that Tyler McKechnie has actually made for you guys, and it'll set you guys all up. So I hope you guys are excited. This is going to be absolutely huge. Tyler, do you see anything pressing that you need to answer in the chat?
It looks like all of most people's questions and concerns got answered as I kept going through the presentation and talking. I think the most important thing that a lot of people noticed is, yes, you're going to be able to connect to multiple strategies with no extra added monthly cost. Like I said, when we wanted to pump the value out of this product line, we wanted it to be something that gave value to those people already a part of our community without trying to charge them a bunch of extra money. We said, how can we just get this so accessible? And as you know, at Auvoria Prime, our goal is to always under promise and over deliver, right? And here we've been trying to do that, especially lately. You've seen it with some of our other new product launches that have happened. There's been some incredible results. So just understanding, we're just going to keep going from here. But I'm excited and I'm fired up for all of you guys to start trading and seeing results with Crypto Advantage.
Awesome. Yep, it's live. Go get it right now. And we cannot wait to hear about your success as we keep going through the markets and we keep, as I always say, Auvoria Prime, one guarantee we can make here is that we're just going to get better and better. And we are. It's amazing what's happening right now across AP Nation, across the world. By the way, this Saturday, we have an AP Nation call this Saturday. I'm going to be launching some brand new marketing tools and sales tools and funnels that's going to be just off the chart. So make sure to be on the AP Nation call Saturday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I cannot wait to hear all your guys' success with Crypto Advantage and all of our products. All of our products right now are absolutely crushing it. The testimonies that are coming through right now with all of our different products are just unbelievable what's happening in people's lives. So thank you guys so much for jumping on this call, and I cannot wait to hear your success. Let's go out and get it done. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.
All right, guys, so I'm sure you got a ton of value from that. Listen, if you're ready to get started with Crypto Advantage, to just pay that $300 or $375, go ahead and click the link below, or you want to get into the Telegram channel and see more results first, you can do that. But we're live and you're going to be seeing a lot of people begin to market and share the results here from Crypto Advantage.